What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. Thank you for watching. Oh man, check this out. So this morning I ran through what looks to be some wet paint, and now it's all over my motorbike. Ay ay ay. So now I'm gonna head over to my motorcycle garage and hopefully be able to clean this crap off. I mean, it is flaking off. Look at it, it's all over my tires. It's all under down here. It's pretty nasty. And I know that I'm kind of like being, jokey about it, but I'm upset. I'm very upset. This is why we can't have nice things, This is why we can't have nice things. Wow, look at all this crap. Nice. What are they doing? No stinking clue. Makes you wonder what's underneath these freaking roads, though. Oh boy, I just rode past the speed camera and I was going a little too hot. Oh boy, what can you do? So yeah, today's vlog will be about what can you do to get some wet paint off your motorbike. Look at that thing, huh? Nice. A little Ducati monster sitting on the back of that truck. Beautiful. Yeah, so hopefully Adam will be there at the garage. He just knows more what to do with motorbikes than I do. And this is why, having a motorcycle garage, motorcycle community is so key to helping you maintain your motorbike. Because when you live in an urban environment like New York City, weird things are gonna happen. Weird things. You can get nails in your bike every 2 miles. I got brand new Michelin Road 5 tires, like premium motorcycle tires, and within 3 months I had already gotten a screw in my tire. And we did a little internal patch and all that. Having my motorcycle garage where I can put it up on a lift and get the tire off and blah blah blah, it's a big deal. And I don't have to pay anyone to do it. I just do it myself. And therein lies the value of having, number one, a place to park and keep your bike safe. Number two is being able to work on your motorcycle whenever you need to. The value of a motorcycle garage, a community motorcycle garage, is unmatched. And when you have a place like Dirty Billy, which is the dirtiest of the dirty, it's a beautiful thing. Alright, let's pull in and let's see what's going on with this paint all over my motherfucking beautiful bike. Alright, quick little update. The bike is, much cleaner. It just took a little bit of elbow grease and we got it all cleaned up. Yeah, bike looks 10 times better. There's still some white paint splatter in some areas. You can definitely see it. Look at that tire. Yikes. But it's all cleaned up. What can you do? It's not like I'm going to be selling this bike. I don't need to have this bike looking pristine at all points in time. Like I said, I don't need it to be looking pristine forever. I want it to look as good as it can possibly be. Obviously, I'm going to be riding around on it for a very long time. I will be honest with you guys, this is my forever bike. I'm going to keep this around for a very long time and do some things with it, make it into my proper, like my own little monstrosity, even more so than it already is. Look at that thing. Look how cute that is. Interesting. Don't see very many of those around. Alright, let's rip up some pavement really quick. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna head home really quick, chillax, upload my videos that I've been making all day, and maybe do some editing. And that's all I'm gonna do today. Come on, guys. NYH. What is that? New York Housing? Yeah, get around to you. I just don't like going slow, because so much of the time there's so little reason for it. Oh, nice little blacked out Bonnie. I like that. I like that a lot. I want to black out this bike. I want to black it out very much so. There we go. So luckily, some of the guys at the garage had actually had some experience running through some wet paint, and they were like, you know, whenever you're riding, you know, the bike will heat up quite a bit, and especially on a hot day, you know, a lot of that will flake off eventually. And you know, it really wasn't too hard to get the paint off. It wasn't hard at all. Took a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of alcohol, a little bit of just general purpose cleaner. Really just my large hands couldn't get into some of the nooks and crannies on the engine cylinders underneath there. You know what I mean? Like, I just couldn't get in there with my large fingers. My large fingers just couldn't get in there. So, ladies, hey, I've got large fingers. You know what that means. Okay, you know, I don't want to say anything, but okay. I mean, just move a little bit faster. I mean, does that make me a bad human being? Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure it does. Pretty sure it does. Oh, look at this dude. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Rocket, bro. Rocket. Oh, man. Gotta love New York. Gotta love motherfucking New York. Again, you gotta love it. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Don't look at the police officer. They will turn you into stone. Anytime I see a Rev'it scooter, I drive more or ride more aggressively. I want them to know who is superior. You know, I'm okay with bicyclists and all that. I'm okay with them. You know, because I am a bicyclist. Oh, see, this is... Yeah. Huh. Rev'it scooters, man. You know, I hate to wish ill will on anyone riding a two-wheeled vehicle, but I always wish ill will on people riding those motherfuckers. Okay, New Jersey. Okay, I see you. I see you. Do your thing. You rock out. Well, all right, kids. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Celebrity. All right, kids. You all know who the real celebrity is here. It's fucking me. And that's where I'll leave you. Alright guys, I hope you have a good one. I'll see you in the next vlog. Catch you later.